Welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the vibrant world of the NutriChef 15-piece non-stick kitchen cookware set, a colorful and practical addition to any kitchen. This set includes everything you need for a complete cooking experience, featuring a pink and blue sauce pot, a yellow cooking pot, a green Dutch oven pot, black and red frying pans, and essential utensils like a slotted spoon, spatula, pasta server, soup ladle, and potato masher. Designed with a PFOA, PFAS-free non-stick coating, these pots and pans ensure easy food release and effortless cleaning, while their mixed-color heat-resistant lacquer exteriors add a splash of style to your kitchen. The cool touch ergonomic Bakelite handles provide a comfortable grip, and the see-through tempered glass lids with vent holes allow you to monitor your cooking with ease. Suitable for all types of cooktops, including induction, these pots and pans are made of pressed aluminum with a coating that ensures even heat distribution for perfect cooking results every time. Backed by a 100% lifetime satisfaction guarantee, NutriChef's mission is to deliver premium, durable cookware that supports a healthier lifestyle, making this set a must-have for any home chef. So, whether you're a seasoned cook or just starting out, the NutriChef 15-piece cookware set is designed to meet all your culinary needs with style and efficiency. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.